They say perspective is everything, a simple truth we understand, yet rarely experience. We spend our days on the ground, focused on the single frame, the immediate task. Managing the pieces of a much larger puzzle, we make critical decisions based on what's right in front of us. But the most important truths, the real opportunities, are often just out of sight. What if you could rise above it all, to see a blueprint breathing into life, to see not just a property, but the community, the promise of a home? What if you could ensure the very framework of our connection stays strong and capture the energy of 1,000 moments, turning a fleeting story into a legend? This isn't just about a higher view. It's about deeper insight, replacing guesswork with certainty, and delivering intelligence that moves your world forward. The picture is bigger than you think. It's time you saw it.